Hello and welcome to another version of Trains at Durham. Today I am at Durham for my part 2 of my 50 sub special. So the services we'll be seeing today is Virgin East Coast Service, Trans-Pennine Express, Cross Country, NMT and maybe a bit of freight. So let's see what shall turn up here at Durham. Next service is a Trans-Pennine Express service to Newcastle 185 136. And about to depart is the Newcastle Trans-Pennine Express service 185 136. And he's given us some pelt. Next service to arrive is another Newcastle Cross Country service 221 139. Super Voyager. And about to depart is the Cross Country Newcastle service 221 139. Next service to arrive is Virgin East Coast service to London's King's Cross. Two 822 on the front, coming from Edinburgh, if I believe. And I'll get the rear as and when it leaves. And just passing now is a HST service to, I believe, Aberdeen. Inverness, sorry.
One train a day to Inverness and
Central. It's got Echo 50 anyway.
I know, just as well.
And then the departing now is the 82209 to London's King's Cross.
Right, now departing. 40 train Scouse service from Wembley to King's Cross. This is the slow stopper.
stopping at Newcastle, Durham, Dartford, Northampton, York, Doncaster, Alfred, Stratford, Peterborough, City of York on the rear. It's 91102. Next service to arrive is Fly Banana. As I was saying, I was going to go down the bottom, but it came early.
Yeah, your hand waving got in the way of my shot.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, that one's good.
I never even got down the bottom.
Yeah, I got that. It's not the best.
Still, it's alright.
Sorry.
How did you do?
It is a bit late.
Fantastic.
Fantastic.
Oh, that looks alright, doesn't it?
That's UKRS waiting to happen.
And then
What is that UKRS? I've heard like it's
Oh, it's
and
some
then-
shit
and then
Instagram
there's
feature
that.
page. That's fantastic.
that is spot on.
All I got was that. Adam. All I got was that. Still
It's
getting
not the
used-
worst, but it's something.
It's a bit late.
It's alright when we film
I heard
this.
it coming, that's where I checked RTT.
Mm.
Heard it coming. And then your hand got in it. But I'll be quite funny for
I still got
Instagram.
a video.
I think I got two.
That's the thing. I'm still
See, I've got
adapting.
that as well. I don't know which one's better.
I'd say that one. That's fantastic.
Yeah.
Because we've got the whole different variety of lighting.
Yeah.
See, that's the thing. I'm only just getting used to the transfer between video and photo.
And I'm just happy I've seen the NMT.
Spot on. Absolutely brilliant.
I know.
And it
Ah,
actually
see, that's-
ran.
That's made my day, that.
That's what happens when you come along to, well, I say my trip. Well, I organised the Scotland branch of this trip.
Yeah, you're the Scot. Here we are. You're
Scottish branch, manager in.
the Scotland man of the trip.
Mm. I'm the northeastern man of the trip.
I'm the main man.
Hi, you're the one who.
Yeah.
Top lad.
I'm the top lad.
Hi.
It was funny because I was talking to her and said it'd be a
It's your 900 sub special, mine's 50.
50. Long bit of a difference. But
Aye.
who cares?
I've only started in July this year, so.
You'll get there eventually.
Aye.
Yeah, some of us have been running 2 years and only got to 500 and...
To be honest,
I've enjoyed my 2 years.
Exactly.
Aye.
That's the
I'm
best.
enjoying my 6-7 months up to now.
Exactly. I mean, you're a very underrated channel, actually.
Well, I've gained 40 subs since December. So
That's good.
That's good.
Your channel's improving, and we all know that.
Mm.
What are you on anyway? Because I know you've got a YouTube channel.
I'm on 130.
That's alright, actually, to be honest.
It's not my main focus though.
You're more of a photo person, aren't you?
Yeah.
As I can see.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't even think you've took
Camera
one
stall.
video today.
I have.
Have you?
Oh, 3 or 4.
They look like cameras to me. I need to yeah. They look like.
They do the, this is my old camera and I got my tips. I see
Cross country.
incoming,
Cross country.
Mommy. 1448. Newcastle 2. Reading.
Oh.
Really well done to Greenwood.
Real life is the current. Bet they've like unplugged a spark plug or something like that.
Probably have. Probably something simple as that.
I know.
Or like the manifold might have like blown off or something simple.
That was 4 early through here.
Like the
NMT. Yeah.
That's not bad actually.
I'm still chatting.
I know.
4 minutes early it was.
Yeah.
Victor 64 and HST today, no? An Echo 15's at Chester Less Street.
Chester Street.
I started just calling it Chester Last Street.
Just our last street.
Last Street.
I think the best still stations up north to film is Northampton and Chelsea Street. Definitely. Because Northampton you get
Northampton's fucking
the
great.
fastest
Steven, look at that.
125 mile.
quitting it.
Oh.
I don't
In Cheshire Street, you got all
Yeah.
things.
Passing and
If I don't
Yeah.
get the best route to
More passing than stopping.
I think North Allerton will be great because you've got the passing Manchester Airport services now.
Yeah.
But yeah,
Which will
well,
make
we're
it
getting a
awesome.
fast one through here.
Yeah,
Yeah,
One
we
at
are.
5.
that'll be good to see. Okay,
Leaving now is
I need to use your video.
cross country Reading service.
Yeah, just what just gonna so that's on Reading. Durham, Sheffield, Derby, Birmingham, Edmonton's Park, all the places that way. I think that would be a good picture that you've just took because the sun looks like it's set.
Next service to pass through is a HST service from Aberdeen to London's King's Cross. I never got the front, but on the rear is 43318. Next service to arrive in is a cross-country service. And I'll tell you where it's going. Might be true or...
Oh yeah, I know that one. Okay, just filling in now is going to be 1456. Cross-country service to Plymouth.
Oh, it's going to Plymouth. And it is 221132. There's proof. 29 should be coming any minute now.
Best thing you should just shout to me if I am, just shout move, and I will.
Oi, Humphreys, bunch!
Yeah, Humphrey's bug, you fat cunt. I don't chat.
Well, I need to do
4 minutes late, the cross-country one is.
Oh, that's selfish. What's it? I hope you don't take the one of like Charlie Greasley took at me Wales with me and Greasley like that.
Oh, what, the poshest cunt going right?
Literally.
Arriving in now
God,
is
imagine one of those-
the Trainspotter Express service for 1457 service to Newcastle. And it's 185111. Next service to depart is the the Trainspotter Express service to Newcastle 185111. Next service to pass by is the Newcastle to Manchester Airport Trainspotter Express service. Oh, new puppy delivery, and it's 485123. Nice 1 or 2 tone from the driver there, thank you, which is very rare from a Trainspotter Express service. Next to pass by is 2 light freight liners. 66454, 66589.
Mike, VTEC.
Next service to pass by is a Virgin East Coast service to London's King's Cross from Edinburgh.
Yeah, I think so.
Awesome, yeah. Get off. And then 82208 on the rear, M on the front, and on the rear, it could be mine. And it's the one I got from Newcastle this morning, 91113. And just to say, what amazing 2-tone that was from the VTEC service. Thank you.
There you go.
And there's Scouse Trainspotter 1999 with his sunglasses on. Or abattoirs as they're known as.
Oh, he's taking it.
We have 2 trains. We have Glasgow cross country service 220019 arriving, and we have a cross country service to
I've seen that.
Reading 221139. And the partner now is Glasgow Central Service cross country 220019. And the partner now is Reading Service 221139 from Newcastle, I believe.
Good one, man. Good one.
Next service to arrive in is Trainspotter Express 1322 service to Liverpool Lime Street.
Yes.
185136. Here's the London's King's Cross service from London King's Cross 91123 Intercity 50 to Edinburgh Waverley.
The phone and smoke it, don't you? You just finish it off with a flame.
I was rubbish, like.
Next service to depart is the first Triline Express service, the 1524 service, the Liverpool Lime Street 185 136.
I spot a suspicious 82205 on the rear.
I spot 205.
Where?
I spot 205. You'd be better getting there over here.
Oh, also, if any members of the TRRPG are watching, we are not.
Oh, it's a Flying Scotsman. I'm sure it is.
I've seen 82205 in the rear.
Yeah. Flying Scotland.
Right, now we just need 101.
And also, I'm
Where
on
is
the
it? I've actually got 101 and 205 together.
The next service to depart is Edinburgh from London to King's Cross service, and on the rear we believe it's my favourite livery, Flying Scotsman.
That's right, even. Right. Left, right, left, right, left, right.
And it's 82,205. Next service to arrive in is the cross-country service to Newcastle from Southampton Central.
I think we'll be more relaxed in first. Don't they have a weekend meal on it? I know they have a weekend meal.
And the number is 220003. And about to depart is Newcastle service from Southampton, cross-country service 220003. And that is the depart. That is all from me, Ferry Trainspotter at Durham. Joining me today was Scouse Trainspotter 1999. ScotRail 17143.
When you zoom in on Voyagers, they are quite photogenic.
And there they are.
I found that out.
When
Even with a phone.
So my next station may be Dalton. I don't know if I'm going to do. Just depends if I've got enough battery left. Because I still need to do part 1 at Newcastle when we go back up. So we'll soon see. If not, it'll be just part 1 and 2. So thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please like, subscribe and comment, and I'll try and get back to you whenever I can. Thank you and goodbye.